Hello and welcome to Olive Board. I hope you guys are well. It's a new day and I have come up with a new word for you in the series called Word of the Day. So this is an initiative by Olive Board wherein we come up with a new word every day and give you its meaning, its usage in sentences, and apart from that we also give you a quick glance at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So today is day 7 of the series. This series will be beneficial for you since it will strengthen your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is deference. Now let us look at the meaning of the word deference. It means the respect shown for another person, especially because of that person's experience, knowledge, age, or power. Let us look at an alternative meaning of this word. So, this word can simply mean respect and politeness. In order to understand deference better, let us look at a sentence. So, this sentence uses the word deference. Let us understand this word in the context of the sentence. The sentence says, in deference to nature lovers, the town refused to grant a permit to builders who would have filled in a swamp used by many birds. So, with respect shown to nature lovers, the town refused to grant a permit to builders who would have otherwise filled in the swamp that is used by many birds. So, here deference means out of respect and politeness for nature lovers. Now, let us look at the synonyms of the word deference. The synonyms can be respect, regard, consideration, and reverence. Now, the opposites or the antonyms of this word can be disrespect and disregard. Now, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word better. So, the sentence that we have used, now we'll look at it in Hindi and convert it, translate it in Hindi in order to understand this word better. The sentence says, in deference to nature lovers, the town refused to grant a permit to builders who would have filled in a swamp used by many birds. So, नेचर लवर्स को रिस्पेक्ट दिखाते हुए सम्मान दिखाते हुए या उनका आदर करते हुए उस टाउन ने बिल्डर्स को परमिशन ग्रांट करने से मना कर दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि वो दलदल जो बर्ड्स यूज़ करते थे वो उसे फिल इन कर देते, वो उसे यूज़ कर लेते, ऑक्यूपाई कर लेते, right? So deference here means out of respect or regard or out of consideration for the nature lovers. So उन्हें सम्मान दिखाते हुए, उनका आदर करते हुए उन्होंने बिल्डर्स को परमिशन देने से मना कर दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि वो दलदल या वो swamp is used by many birds, right? So I hope you liked the session. Please like the session, share it with your friends, and tune in tomorrow for another such word. Please join Olive Board for more such content. Thank you.